is our operation day.
المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي المحطة القادمة هي The next station is
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today we're here in Dubai. You're probably wondering why we're here in Dubai. Aside from Eid break, I've decided to do my rhinoplasty. So tomorrow is our operation day. Yes, we're both gonna do rhinoplasty. And I've thought about it so many times, and it's not an easy decision, but somehow I realized I'm now 32 and this year I'm gonna be 33. If I'm gonna keep on waiting for the right time, I don't think I will be able to do it. I'm doing this video as a memory of my nose. I'm gonna document the whole 7 days because ang alam ko, sa 7th day, aalisin na yung cast and somehow meron ka ng idea what you're gonna look like after the operation. I don't wanna be excited about it, but I just kept on praying na it's gonna be successful. For now, I'm so hungry. I'm waiting for our food to be delivered. So now guys, we're here in the bathroom and we're gonna quickly talk about my skincare. Let's do the trend where I'm gonna give you my reactions without the words. That's it. Now let's talk about rhinoplasty preparation. Let me share with you kung ano yung mga dapat na meron na kayo before your surgery. Number 1 in the list, vitamin C, bromelain, arnica, and then next one is gauze, hydrogen peroxide, antiseptic solution, this, surgery tapes, wipes. So the reason I bought this, just in case na mag-bruise kami ng malala and I won't be able to wash my face, at least I have this just to wipe and clean up my face. I think tonight is my last skincare routine and it will take like 7 days, 7 full days for me to go back to my normal routine. Anyway, I can't wait and I'm praying na maging successful talaga yung rhinoplasty namin because it's really a long time dream, guys. It's always been a dream of mine to improve, enhance my face, and I don't think na mali i-improve yung self mo as long as you're happy and as long as wala ka namang nakaharm na ibang tao. If you're watching now and you're thinking about getting a rhinoplasty, I know it's very difficult to decide. It's such a big decision pero it's so worth it. Wala pa man din, let's claim it. Anyway, I'm gonna see you tomorrow morning.
Okay guys, so we're now ready.
Ang cute na ano namin, no? OOTD.
So this is what I bought for her. Floral and mine. Heart shape.
Ba't sa'yo heart? Ako hindi.
Siyempre, ayaw natin sa age. Anyway, we're gonna see you after the surgery.
Kamusta?
Wala ka ma-feel. Ang pinakamasakit lang yung anesthesia.
Gaano kasakit?
Tsaka sa tenga.
Sabay? Ang anesthesia or
Hindi, una to.
maya-maya? Ha?
Una to.
Kinuhaan ka muna.
Tapos, ilong na.
Hey guys, so patapos na si Len. I'm not feeling any pain. Meron lang parang mabigat sa ilong ko. That's all. Let's see. But I think I'm bruising. Oh no.
Oh.
Nakita ko na si Len. Gusto ko tumawa. Kasi sobrang ingitera niya. Baka masaktan ako sa nose ko. So, next time ko na itatawa siguro after 7 days. Ang tagal. Pero tawan-tawa na ako. So guys, this is the after look. After surgery. If I'm gonna rate the pain of my rhinoplasty, since this is after surgery, 0 pain talaga. The only pain na ma-feel nyo is during paglalagay ng anesthesia. Kasi yun talaga yung... Ay, grabe, ang sakit. Local anesthesia yung ginamit. We're awake. And we can feel yung procedure na ginagawa sa nose namin. And also, gumamit din sila ng ear cartilage. Ngayon, nafe-feel ko pa yung numbness. So, after surgery, numb ka talaga. Wala kang mafe-feel. I'm not sure how it's gonna be like tomorrow. Kaya siguro ang struggle ko lang is mahirap huminga. Kasi may cotton sa nostrils ko. But sa 3rd day, i-remove naman na daw yung cotton. And then on the 7th day, dun na i-remove yung sutures and yung cast.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Hindi sa mata, sa mata.
Uy, ang sarap.
Gusto mo? Sa'yo na yan?
Okay, thank you.
Love you.
Ang sarap. I'm gonna tell you more about it, but I need to order some food for dinner.
Ako napapala ng ingitera.
Tell your teacher. I'll pay your school fees in 3 days.
I'm not in high school anymore. She was just lying on the...
Hey guys, I'm so maga. Para na akong kinagat ng bubuyog. Alam niyo ang pinaka-challenge sa surgery na to. Kaming dalawa kasi ni Lynn pag magkasama sobrang ang lakas naming tumawa guys. Alam niyo yung palaging patawa. Ganon kaming dalawa built. Kaya grabe, hirap na hirap akong tumigil ng tawa. Diyos ko baka mabuka tong opera namin. Hindi na ako nagbe-bleed and yung stitches tuyo na. It's now 10:16 guys, and we're gonna take you through our cleaning process. First, we cleanse our face using this. mag-asilit. Mas nauna ako nang mag-as sa kanya. So guys, ang paggamit nitong panglinis, 3 times kayong maglilinis. Isa sa morning, afternoon, and nighttime. Hey guys, so today is 3rd day post-op. Alisin na yung cotton na nakabara sa nostrils namin. And we're also gonna go back to Abu Dhabi. Hindi ako makasmile kasi stiff pa rin siya. Anyway, if you're gonna ask how do I feel, okay lang naman. Walang pain. And I think ang worst day ko is 2nd day. No? Doon kasi sa 2nd day, parang doon pa lang mafe-feel ng body mo na merong iba. But so far, humupa na rin yung pamamaga. Wow. The-joke ka. Today is my 4th day post-op. In fairness, simula nung inalis yung cotton sa nose ko, mas nakahinga na ako ng sobra and nakakatulog-tulog na ako ng maayos. Pero merong feeling na akala nyo merong sipon pero wala naman talaga. Yun lang yung so far na nafe-feel ko. Hindi naman siya yung sobrang discomfort pero meron siyang unusual feeling na nabibigay kaya parang gusto mo laging mag-check kung basa, ganyan. Hey guys, so today is my 6th day post-op. Bumaba na yung swelling niya. Kahapon hindi na ako nakapag-video but ganito lang din naman yung look. So tomorrow is our 7th day post-op. We're gonna go back to Dubai so they can remove the cast and sutures, hopefully. Sobrang dry na nung pakiramdam ng mga stitches ko. Ang napansin ko sa 5th and 6th day, for me mas normal ka nang makakakain. Siguro yung napapansin ko lang is swollen yung cheeks ko. But aside from that, I think my healing process is going well. I'm gonna update you guys tomorrow. So today we're heading out, guys. Meron akong nail appointment. I'll see you later! Hey guys, so today is Sunday and we're gonna go out and have lunch with Maki. This is the first time na makikita niya kami after nung ginawa naming vlog. Let's see his reaction. Let me show you my nails. So pretty. Ready ka na ba? sarap!
Masarap din nga eh, laman siya. Boss?
Sisid?
Rice.
Ang sarap din! So guys, nandito tayo sa Al Riga Night Market. Kanina magkakasama kami sa mall. Ngayon nandito na tayo sa Dubai. So today is my 11th day post-op and this is what my nose looks like. So maga pa rin siya guys, but naalis na yung sutures and so far, comfy na akong nakakatulog. Pero ayun, as a side sleeper, mahirap pa rin. There are times na nagigising talaga ako kasi gusto kong tumagilid but I really can't. Ang sabi, 8 weeks pa before I can go back to my normal routine. If you're gonna ask me if I'm happy with the result, of course, yes. I am happy. This is normal naman. Swelling is normal and niready ko talaga yung self ko para dito. Ito talaga yung kailangang ready kayo kapag nagpa-rhinoplasty kayo. Hindi talaga mabilis yung pagwala ng swelling. But yes, it's an amazing experience. It's very scary. Sabi nga nila, do it scared. Okay guys, so nag-grocery tayo ngayon and today is my 12 or 13 post-op. Ganito kapag nasa labas, kailangan naka-wear ako ng mask kasi I don't wanna expose my rhinoplasty surgery dahil fresh pa siya. Comfy naman mag-grocery guys, doble ingat lang.